Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Scorpios. We'll be picking few cards from each deck, guys. This is for your general energy, Scorpios, and I'll be picking one card from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So that card will answer what questions you have regarding your work situation or your relationship, guys. So we'll be picking 3 cards from this deck. So these cards will relate to your career situation and your relationship, guys. And one card from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So we'll open the cards now for your daily energy, Scorpios. 4 of Wands in reverse, King of Cups in reverse, 10 of Wands in reverse. Scorpios, with these cards, guys, the energy is that you share this beautiful relationship with this person, guys, and in life in general you are successful, you are enjoying that prosperity, happiness and beauty. Things are going in a very happy way, and maybe for some of you all, you may be taking extra care about how you look, taking care of your self. You may be using some cosmetics, so that is also the energy here, guys. Maybe for some of you all, somebody is there who is jealous of you because of the way you are in your work, in your life. You are quite successful and they may be jealous because of that, or it may be because of your beauty, or it may be because of this relationship you have with this person, that true deep connection you have with this person. So they are simply jealous of you, and they may be spreading rumors about you, guys. They may be talking something bad, or spreading some rumors, or they may be trying to involve you in some scandals. That is also there, guys. So they are very jealous of you because of the way you are dealing with your situation. So you may also feel stressed because of this. Some people talking behind your back, hearing rumors about you, that may be worrying you, guys, a little. But overall I see here that it is a very things are going in a very happy way in your life. That is what I see here with this card, Scorpios. Let us see what are these cards. Bear, Sun, Mountains. So with this card again, I see that someone, they may be your older sibling or your parent. They may be trying to counsel you, give you suggestions because of the situation, like someone talking behind you or someone feeling jealous. They may be working against you. So regarding that, you may be discussing with them and they may be giving suggestions, but you feel they are trying to control you, but you don't want to listen to them, guys. And you are facing certain obstacles also in your life. So you are stressed in some things, but with this card here, guys, this is a very positive card, Scorpios. So you may be able to overcome this. So this jealousy or rumors, scandals, whatever it is, or some obstacles, you are finding a way to come out of it. That is also the energy here. So whatever bad things that are there in your life, you will be able to find a way to avoid all those circumstances, and or you may be overcoming it with your strong determination and courage. That is also the energy here. Let us see what is the card, Oracle's guidance. So this card will answer your questions, your whatever deep thoughts you have regarding your work situation or your relationship, guys. So we'll turn the card now. often. With this card, Scorpios, the oracle's guidance for us, guys, is that sometimes we have that urge to fit in any situation, in our work situation or in our family. We try hard, we try to compromise ourselves and change ourselves just to be in that group, belong to that group. So we lose ourselves in the long run, guys. So we should not do that, guys. We should not give up ourselves. So sometimes we have to be our true selves, whatever we stand for, our ideals and values, whatever we have, we should be that. We should be that. We should never give that up. And even in our relationship, sometimes we feel that we have to change ourselves so much to fit in, and this person does not understand us, and we cannot do that all the time. The reason may be that they are not understanding you and you are not fitting into that particular situation, maybe because you both are in a different step in your personal growth. That may be the reason that you don't share that sense of belonging in that relationship. So you need to get that understanding within yourself, and give up that artificial things that you are doing to fit in. And you should not compromise yourself to belong. It will not be worthy, guys. When this relationship is built on lies, it is not going to work out. So the same way in your work situation, you have to be clear about your mission, what you want to do, and what should be your contribution in your work. And when you do that with authenticity, it is going to work. So when you do work from truth, you will attract prosperity towards you, guys. So you need to do that. You need to be really authentic. And sometimes in life, we form unhealthy relationships because we have not healed from the past. So we have to heal ourselves first, then we should know what we are. We should never give up ourselves. Sometimes we avoid certain relationships because we are scared of intimacy. So we don't want to be in that intimate connection because of our past. We have not healed from our past, so we don't want them to disappoint us. So we just simply abandon ourselves. We simply leave out what we truthfully feel in our heart of hearts. So this is the time you should know what is the truth, and we should consciously choose our life. So when we do that, when we choose ourselves, that truth within ourselves, we will base our relationships, and in our work also, in our work situation, we will base our work on the truth, whatever we want to do. Only when you base yourself on that truth, when you form that foundation on truth, that is going to take you to success, guys. So when you base yourself on truth, you're going to get that healthy connection in life. So that is the oracle's guidance for us, Scorpios, and that is the reading for you all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, Scorpios. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.